Add some things in this game. So let's go please. So guys, we're back. Oh, yeah, there's no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up. Oh, what? Oh, what happened? You're just asleep, girl. Oh, oh, okay. So let's put my cute. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's put the thing. Okay, and then so let's go put our dress. Okay, I'm gonna wear this already. Looks so cute. Okay, what should I do? Let's do snacks at the canteen. So let's go. We're gonna steal some snacks. Steal some snacks. Okay, let's be quiet. If I dare to make this little sound, I will be dead from the principal. I will be dead from the principal. Okay, let's go. Let's cover our mouth and be quiet. What? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, what's that?
Gino?
No, gotta hide. Let's go hide here. Wait, paano to?
Dali lang, wala na naman mag-subscribe sa Netflix.
Go to access. Wants to be in the prom. Wants to be in the prom. Who has it? Maybe it's from the canteen. Who wants some prom tickets? Who wants prom ticket? Who has it? Half the food has been eaten. The cake, this one, and this. And this drink has been drinked. Who has it? Let's go to my office. Ew.
Alam niyo ba?
That was close. Okay, let's go. So, what should we do? Oh, let's get first. Let's get midnight. And spicy. Water. Okay, fine. So, let's play. Oh, look at my baby pictures of me. My mom cut this almost a baby. Let's go. Bring her home. Keys. Plastic. Because I am scientist. But I need some good. So let's decorate one. Okay.